Okay, this video will explain you about all questions that is given for a quiz on 2 August 2017. Okay, the first one is the fourth root of 81. The first one, you need to do the prime factorization first. So started with 2. This is the smallest prime number. Okay, can it be divided by 2? No. So it means we move to the next one. After 2, the prime number will be 3. Okay, this one can be divided by 3. So the result will be 2, and then after that 7. Okay, this one can still divided by 3. Okay, it will be 9, and then divided by 3, and then you get 3. So all of them is 3. So basically this one is equivalent to the fourth root of 3 to the power of 4. Okay, now this one is actually equal to 3 out of 4 in bracket, and then being powered by 4 again. 1 out of 4, I mean. Okay, now based on the law number 3 on the indices, if a to the power of m in bracket and being powered by n, then the result will be a to the power of m times n. The same thing there, it means 3 to the power of 4 times 1 out of 4, which is that one will be 3. Okay, the second question. Okay, the fifth root of p to the power of 3 times cube root of 8p. Okay, now I will write this question in a different form. I will use an index form. Okay, so this one become p to the power of 3 out of 5. Okay, times, how about this? It will be 8p, okay, to the power of 1 out of 3. Now, we cannot do anything on the first one, but we can do something for the second one here. Actually, according to the law number 4, it says that a to the power of n times b to the power of n is equal to ab to the power of n. Or I can also say ab in bracket to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n times b to the power of n. Correct? So if the elements here is being multiplied and in bracket and being powered by something, by an index, it means everything should be, all the index of this element should be multiplied by the n. The same thing here. Okay, 8p in bracket to the power of 1/3. It means this one will be a to the power of 1 out of 3 times p to the power of 1 out of 3. Okay, so I will write it here. This one will be a to the power of 1 out of 3 times p to the power of 1 out of 3. Okay, I will put the number on the at the front. 8 to the power of 1 out of 3 times p to the power of 3 out of 5, and then times p to the power of 1 out of 3. Okay, now this one, okay, if you use the radical sign, then it will be the cube root of 8, which is that one will be 2, right? 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. Okay, now this one, according to the law number 1, Okay, then this one means P 3 out of 5 plus 1 out of 3. Now I will do the arithmetic problem over here. So 3 out of 5 plus 1 out of 3, the denominator should be the same. I will make it 15. This one is being multiplied by 3. On top you need to multiply by 3, so 9 plus 15. This one is being multiplied by 5. Top you need to multiply by 5, so it will be 14 out of 15. Okay, so in here it will be P 14 out of 15, or the answer can look like this one, P to the power of 14 and then the 15th root of P to the power of 14. Okay, that one is the second. Now the third one, okay, this one, this thingy means like x squared times y to the power of minus 2. This one meaning x to the power of minus 2 times y to the power of minus 5. Not minus 5, only 5. Okay, and then there is a multiplication also, so it will look like that. Now I will collect the same term. So x squared times x minus 2 times y to the power of minus 2 and then times y to the power of 5, which is based on the law number 1. Then this one would be x 2 plus minus 2 times y minus 2 plus 5, which is this one. The result will be x to the power of 0 times y to the power of 3. 1 times y to the power of 3, the result will be y to the power of 3. The last one, find the value of the square root of 150. Do the prime factorization, start from the smallest prime number 2. This one will be 75. Cannot be divided by 2 anymore. So 3, 25, and can it be divided by 3? No. So move to the 5 and then 5. So actually this one is equivalent to 2 times 3 times 5 to the power of 2, which is this one will be equivalent to 2 times 3 times 5 to the power of 2 in bracket and then powered by half. Okay, now I can do like this one, 2 to the power of half times 3 to the power of half times 5 to the power of 2 times half, which is that one is law number number 4 and 3. Okay, the distribution here is like law number 4, and about this with this, that one is law number 3. Now this one means what? Square root of 2 times square root of 3 times 5. Okay, and then this one becomes square root of 6 times 5. So at the end the result will be 5 square root of 6. Okay, so that's the answer. Thank you.